Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to find search history on Instagram. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to do this, as you can see, we are here on Instagram. The first thing you're going to want to do is come across to your profile page by pressing your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Next, what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to open up your settings and activity. From here, what you want to do is come up to the top and press onto account center. On your account center, you want to come down to your account settings section and press onto your information and permission. On this screen, you're going to see an option for search history. So what you can do is give this a press. Then go ahead and select the account that you want to see your search history for. So you can see mine's here, so I'm going to give this a press. Once you've done that, it's going to display all things you've searched in the last 30 days. You can click on sort at your right to change sort newest to oldest or oldest to newest. And you can press X mark at the right of every search to delete it. So that's it. That is how to find search history on Instagram. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.